In this video, I'll be showing you how to add text fields to your snippets. Let's start with a snippet for a basic email template. I'd like to customize the recipient. To do this, I can add a form text command from the Forms and Dynamic Content menu at the bottom. I can give my text field a label and a default value that will show up when I don't type anything in it. Now, when I type my shortcut, a pop-up appears and I can fill in my text field. I can leave the default value I specified earlier or replace it with the name of my recipient. If you need to insert a longer piece of text, such as a paragraph, you can do so with the form paragraph command. You'll find this in the same menu as form text. Once again, I'm going to add a label, but this time I also want to specify the width in columns and the height in rows. You can check what the text field will look like in the preview window. If you're not happy with the dimensions, you can edit them by clicking on the command and then adjusting the values in the menu below. Let's have another look at the preview window to make sure we got it right. Now, let's see it at work. Here's a bonus tip for you. Remember how I added a label to my first text field? I can reuse that label elsewhere in my snippet to bring up the text it contains. The list of labels you've used in your snippet can be found here. First, put your cursor in the place where you want to reuse your label. Next, find the label you want to reuse and click on it. Let's see what happens when we insert the snippet. Notice how TextBlaze fills in the content dynamically as I type. Besides form text and form paragraph, there are many other commands you can use to customize your snippet output. Check out our other videos to learn more about them.